what you want to do, we want to get you down here to traffic. And that's what I'm going to start talking more about, take you through some thought processes and kind of get you thinking in a different way than the normal network marketing way. Where what if there was a way to automate the traffic in terms of new prospects coming through your business right here? So the only people you're actually talking to are people that are really seriously interested in solving the problem that your products or business solve. Like, so if you're in a health and nutrition business, one of the problems somebody might have is maybe they've got diabetes, and maybe you've got a product line that helps either with diabetes so they don't have to take as much medication. They've got that problem. Or maybe they just want to lose weight and you've got a solution for that. Rather than being over here where you're chasing after people that don't have the problem, what if you could automate the process so that you get more people coming into your business that have the problem, and then you actually only talk to the people that are really serious at this time in solving that problem? Now you can get that flywheel going a lot faster. And then what if you could automate some of the processes up here when you do get customers and you do get recruits, have some systems in place that help them learn and do better and all that kind of stuff without you having to be physically present to do it all. The more you can get systems into your business, the more you can get this flywheel going faster and faster and faster and seeing your growth and your revenue going up. So that's just the general principle of how you want to get your business running so that it starts to go faster and you start to get the results that you're looking for and you don't get so frustrated on everything.